If you want to download GOG Launcher, also known as GOG Galaxy, and get it set up on your computer, this video will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the website loads, look toward the top right area of the page where you'll see GOG Galaxy. This is the official launcher from GOG, and it's where you can manage your games, keep everything organized, and access your library in one place. Go ahead and click GOG Galaxy to open the launcher page. On the GOG Galaxy page, look for the download option labeled Download GOG Galaxy 2.0. Click that button to start the download process. Depending on your browser, the file may download automatically right away, or you may be prompted to save the installer to your computer. If you see a save prompt, choose a location that's easy to find, like your downloads folder or desktop. Once the file finishes downloading, open it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. In most cases, you'll just need to accept the terms, choose your install location if asked, and wait for the launcher to finish installing. After installation, launch GOG Galaxy and sign in with your GOG account, or create one if you don't already have it. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to browse your library, install games, and use the launcher normally. If you were looking for a fast way to download GOG Launcher, that's all there is to it. Just go to GOG.com, click GOG Galaxy, and then select Download GOG Galaxy 2.0. It's a straightforward process, and now you know exactly how to do it without confusion. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.